before I left, it had no oil. So all those revolutionary coasters I was doing last time, the motor had no oil.
It's a Grom, so they don't really need oil. It's fine.
Yeah. Not a lot wrong.
There's a sheriff right there. I just noticed you did that stoppie and I was like, all right. There's my third gear. It came up. First wheelie of the day. Ooh, shit. Let's get straight to it. Been a businessman that's bigger than music. Eyes on the building with like 8 units. What's for sale? I might buy it all. Don't want to put in work now. You just want to ball. Oh, Scott's fucking right in front of me. Damn it, Scott. The harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Bag route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out. Always been a stand-up guy, never back down. Curry's on my team and got some pack outs. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got any. Now Scott's behind me. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Woo! Counting all this paper, looking good, brother. Jet lag, baby. Hell yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag. What is going on, guys? So obviously today me and Scott are on the Groms. Beautiful day. Took the day off because it was going to be nice out. And we're just going to go shred the Groms. I think we got a few people coming out today. So that should work out good. So yeah, we're going to meet up a spot right now. A couple people hopefully show up. And yeah, it should be a good day. Should get some cool footage for you guys. If people enjoy the Grom videos, there's going to be a lot of them. Because the Groms are just amazing bikes and it's winter and it's just what we want to do. Fresh ass chain. Yeah. Look how nice mine is, dude. Solid, bro.
fender? Oh yeah.
That one's fine. It's this, or maybe it is that one.
This one,
broken.
yeah, I seen it was loose when we were on the way here. You were going pretty fast when you fell, didn't you?
Supposedly my bike did several flips.
Oh yeah, it did.
She's meant though.
Definitely did.
No cracked frame. No cracked frame. No cracked frame. No cracked frame. Look at that. She's standing straight up.
Dude, your whole head is turned like so far.
Anything that says Minecraft on it, you cannot be on the property.
Oh, okay.
Just finished this construction of this building. So if you see the sign out front, anything with that, I'm gonna bug you. It says Pinecroft.